This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 44 Swing II. Our discussion today focuses on additional Java Swing concepts beyond the components covered in the previous module. The JSeparator component divides the display area into distinct parts with different looks, and a simple example demonstrates how to use it in a window program with menus and menu items. The JProgress bar component displays the completion percentage of tasks or downloads, allowing customization through constructors and methods, as shown in an example that demonstrates the progress bar at different stages. The tree component provides a hierarchical structure for visualizing tree-like data, such as directories, with its root represented by a mutability node and the ability to add child nodes recursively using addChild. The JColorChooser component presents a color palette for selecting desired font colors, similar to tools in Microsoft Word, and program illustrates how to implement color selection and usage, including displaying recently used colors. The TabletPane component organizes content using tabs, much like Excel sheets, allowing for easy navigation and customization of tab layout, positioning and naming, as demonstrated in an example focused on developing sophisticated tabbed applications. The JSlider component enables value selection by dragging a slider with the mouse, and a simple program explores its functionality and usage, while the JSpinner component provides a similar spinner-based interface for value selection. The JSpinner component offers a spinner user interface for continuous or discrete value selection, with constructors and methods available for customization, as exemplified in a program that showcases a JSpinner with a default range and initial value. The JLaChooser component facilitates file selection and operations within the current directory, displaying files and generating events for actions like open, save and copy, with its functionality explored through a basic program and file path specification. The Joggle button component presents a button with binary states, such as on-off or open-closed, toggling between these states with each click, as illustrated in an example that demonstrates the button's behavior and state changes. The JToolbar component provides a specialized toolbar interface similar to a menu bar, with constructors' methods, an example showcasing its usage in application development alongside menu items and options. The JTooltip component offers tooltips for displaying additional context or information, with constructors' methods, an example demonstrating its implementation and integration within an application's user interface. The Viewport component is a text area-like component with nested classes and methods, allowing for customization through different constructors, themes, and settings, and serving as a starting point for developing a project before moving on to container classes. Container classes in Java Swing, such as Window Panel, Frame Dialog Box, and Applet, offer a better look and feel compared to AWT containers, enabling the addition of components like frames, dialogs, and applets within a container. The Janel component in Swing allows nesting panels, unlike AWT, and includes a constructor with a layout manager argument, maintaining the same layout manager functionality as AWT, as demonstrated in an example with a frame containing a panel and buttons. The Drame component is a basic nested class in Java Swing, with fields constructors for creating frames with different styles, and methods for controlling and extracting frame information, exemplified through a program showcasing a frame with a button and label. The calculator design using Swing section provides a detailed explanation of creating a calculator application with Java Swing components, covering the step-by-step process of designing the UI, using layout managers, buttons, text fields, and event listeners to handle user interactions. The stepwise implementation of calculator section walks through the development of a simple calculator UI by extending Drame and implementing action listener, initializing components, adding buttons and event handlers, and performing operations to display the result in a text field. In summary, the key takeaways include the functionalities of various Swing components like JToggleButton, JTree, JProgress bar, JColorChooser, TabletPane, JLaChooser, JSlider, Spinner, JTooltip, as well as the design and implementation of a calculator application using these components. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.